Hi guys, today drawing on my LCD writing board. You probably can't see it because it's backwards, so yeah. I'm going to be drawing, sorry if you can't see my face, but it doesn't really matter anyway. To be drawing like a pig. So yeah. Oops. Draw a little pig. It was really hard because I had to do it upside down. So yeah, now I'm going to be drawing a dog. It's got a wig. You call that a dog? Don't have mind. So yeah, that's how it works. Now there's this button at the back. Do you know what it does? Let's go and see. This is the last bit. Let's click the button. It doesn't work. Bye guys. Hope you haven't, well, not bye, yeah, bye. Hope everyone has a nice weekend.